Dito nga sa nangyayari nga dito ngayon sa House of Representatives dahil they voted to impeach Vice President Sara Duterte.
Tumayo na po.
Yan, sabi dito, the House of Representatives has voted to impeach Vice President Sara Duterte on charges of alleged corruption and betrayal of public trust. Reginald Velasco, the House Secretary General, confirmed to Daily Tribune that as of 1 p.m., sufficient votes had been secured for the impeachment. Under the rules, the House requires the support of at least one-third of its members, equivalent to 102 signatures from congressmen, to transmit any of the 3 impeachment complaints to the Senate for trial. Ayan.
Ito talaga yung Hail Mary pass nila, kumbaga. Diba kapag wala ng time, ibabato mo na yung bola eh. Ayun talaga, hindi talaga para sa gutom, para sa...
Kumbaga sa ito na yung pang-buzzer beater nila.
Ayan
kung
na
sakali.
Oo.
Ang problema dito kung masushoot o hindi.
Oo.
Kasi,
Pero may tatanong kung a-adjourn daw yung ang Congress, paano yan? Yung campaign season na. Siguro, pag tinanong natin si Manong Cheese ng Senate, siguro,
well, actually,
kung i-expedite nila,